Hello everyone, this is Ian Griffin with Nyle Dry Kilns. Today we're going to do a quick showcase of the startup of an L200Pro. So first things first, we're going to verify our kiln mode we're running in. Right now we're set up in conventional mode. You can see over here in equipment status, compressor is not equipped. I want to run this in dehumidification mode. So we're going to click up here and we're going to scroll down till we get to DH mode. We're going to hit OK. And we're going to verify all the equipment is active. Right now we got our compressor shut off. So we're going to go over here to configure, find our compressor, and then put this guy back into auto. So there we go. Our equipment looks like it's about all ready to go. We're going to verify a schedule. I got a 5-step schedule plugged in here. We've got step 1 at 24 hours, 100-degree dry bulb, 90-degree wet bulb. Step 2, 24 hours, 110-degree dry bulb, 95-degree wet bulb. Step 3 and step 4 are both 48, 120-degree dry bulb and 100-degree wet bulb, and then 120-degree dry bulb and a 90-degree wet bulb. And then our final step is 24 hours and 100-degree dry bulb and a 75-degree wet bulb. Since we've got a low wet bulb plugged in here, it's going to force that compressor to run a bunch on that last step of the schedule. We're also going to save it real quick. It'll open up this menu. Let me click our little save icon. And then it'll be in this list if we need it again in the future. I'm also going to check this little box down here. Stop the kiln when the schedule ends. If we have this box selected, as soon as the time runs out of our schedule, it'll just shut the kiln off. Whereas if we do not leave this box selected, when the schedule runs out, the kiln will default to whatever settings are plugged in here on the main screen. So you could have a cool down step or something like that plugged in here, but I want to have the kiln shut off when it's all done, so I'm going to leave it like that. Now lastly, we're going to name this lot ID. I'm going to call it fine 4/4, and we'll call it today's date as well. This will make it easy to distinguish. If we need to look up something in the schedule, it'll save in the log file under that. I'll know what species was in it, what thickness, and then what date the kiln started. So it'll be easy to find. And then other than that, we're ready to go. So we're going to hit the start button. It's going to ask us if we want to auto start schedule. We're going to leave this box checked because we do want to run the schedule. Then we will hit confirm and start kiln. And that right there is how you start your L200 Pro.